Hi everyone, welcome to Sensorism channel. Today we are going to discuss about this L293D motor driver. This is the most commonly used for hobby purposes. So this is a very famous motor driver. It has a maximum current power rating of 600 milliamps. It can control the motor in both the directions. But particularly this board, I like it very much because of the way it is designed. I would really want to thank the person who has designed it. So if you see here, this has input jack directly connectable from the power adapter. It has an on-off button, and these are the terminals for motor output. So these two correspond to one motor and these two for the other one. And additionally, they have given these pins as well to connect it from jumpers. These are the inputs. So this is enable 1 and 2 for each of the motor. If you want to use pulse width modulation to control the speed of the motor, then instead of shorting this, you can also give the input from a microcontroller or anything to control the speed. And D1, D2, D3, D4 are the input pins. So D1 and D2 determines the direction of the first motor. D3 and D4 determines the direction for the second motor. And in this these additional pins are again D1 and D2 and grounds and 5 volts. So what interesting is here, for example, if I want to run my M1 motor in a single direction, and in which case I can always say D1 is connected to 5 volts here, I shorted that signal, and D2 is connected to ground. So here it eliminates the need for any jumper wires or any external wires. So this circuit is also designed in such a way where D3 can either be 5 volts or connected to ground. So these are the extra pins where just by shorting it, you will be able to provide D4 or D3, D1, D2 with a specific either 5 volts or ground, eliminating the need for wires. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to use this. So I connected D1 to 5 volts and D2 to ground. So the motor will run only in single direction, and I have enabled enable pin 1 here. So when I power up the signal, let's try to do that, powering up this motor driver and check how it works. So I'm going to power in here, and then once I turn on the signal here like this, you can see that the motor started running and the LED light is also visible here. So that's how you can use this motor driver to control any motor, and the input can be from 6 to 36 volts, 4.5 volts to 36 volts, and it has an inbuilt 5 volt converter as well. So that's how these 5 volts and ground and the chip are being powered on. So this is a very handy tool. I would recommend having this in your collection and use this for your hobbies. I'm going to create one blog post on this, so please see the tutorial to see if you can use it for any of your hobby projects. Thank you.